Have you ever wondered about how you can improve prepositions? Don't worry. Today I'm going to give you some 10 prepositions and make you understand how these 10 prepositions are used in English correctly. So let's begin. Number 1, I'm over the bridge. That means that I am on the bridge. That is not. So number 2, we've got that is basically I'm before the class. I'm before the class means I'm in front of the class. That is next. We've got, and that is good at playing chess. Good at playing chess means we are showing his ability. He can do this. It's his ability. Next, we've got is walking along the shore of the sea. Along the shore of the sea means along the line of the sea, along the line of the shore, the person is walking. Next, I'm at academy. That means I am at the fixed location, and that location is basically the academy. For a specified location, we use at. Next, we've got I'm in the academy. That basically means that I'm within the boundaries of a place, and that is academy. It is not about a fixed location. It is like we are showing the boundaries, a place with boundaries, and we are inside it. Next is blind in one eye. Many people say he's blind from one eye. That is absolutely wrong. The correct version is I am blind in one eye, or the person is blind in one eye. That means one of his eyes is working and the other is not working. Next, we have got they belong to New York. When the phrasal word belong to comes, so we do not use from. So we say belong to New York. Basically, that is the place they belong to. And when we say, like the next preposition we've got is from Karachi. So is from Karachi, that means the person belongs to Karachi. So if belongs to comes, then from is not put. If from comes, then belong to doesn't come. So these are some very simple prepositions. I hope you understand these prepositions and you can practice them confidently.